this video, we're going to learn how to greet someone in Vietnamese. The Vietnamese greet each other using the word Chào, to greet. This is followed by either a name, a kinship term, or both. For example, Chào Liên, Chào cô, Chào anh Nam. However, if we use Chào only, it will be considered not very polite. Chào means hello and goodbye. Therefore, the examples can also be used when we want to say goodbye. There are no Vietnamese equivalents for the English good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, but Chào can be used for any time of the day. If we know a person's name, then it would be easy to greet them as we only need to say Chào and their name. But what if we don't know their name? Then, in this case, we have to use kinship terms, which are over here.